precisely glowing with joy these days.
But why? I mean, you're healthy. Your dad's not rich, but he's doing okay. My life's way tougher than yours, so I don't understand why you'd be so miserable when you have everything that matters.
You know, money doesn't equal happiness, right? I know people who barely have like 2 nickels to rub together, and they are the happiest people.
Sure, in theory, but in real life, I don't know, Masha. I mean, take me, for example. I make $2,300 a month, and I barely have enough to get by. I don't make no vacations, no new cars. Can you even imagine the stress of constantly worrying about credit card debt? How can I not be obsessed with money when it's all that we do have to think about?
Is the play starting soon?
Yeah, Nina's performing and Connie's right. They're both in love, I think. The way they're magic with their words. Similar to what we have.
Oh, I don't know about that.
I've been coming out here every day just to be with you, and all I get is indifference. And I'm not trying to guilt trip you, but I love you, for fuck's sake. And I know it's stupid, and I know I'm broke, and I know I have no car, but I love you.
It's not that I don't care. I'm sorry.
It's fine, I guess.
Wait, no. I'm sorry. It's just, you're always talking about money, like being poor is the worst thing for you. And, it will be easier to just go without it.
Okay, I'll see you at the show or whatever.
Okay, wait, I'm sorry.
Don't be.
Okay, I won't be then.
Good.
Good.
Everyone's waiting to start the play now.
Got it. Hold on. Wait a second. I'm freaking out. I feel like I'm gonna throw up right here, right now. I'm gonna put popcorn in.
No.
Yes.
I think right now you're the only person in the world who knows the lines I wrote. So we have to start now.
No.
Okay. Pauline, can you bring the lights down? The
Pauline,
lights?
don't bring it. Pauline.
Yeah.
Pauline.
That's great.
Pauline, I'm nervous. Is your mom coming?
Yeah, she's coming.
She was one of the most amazing actors in the world. She's gonna be so mad at me.
No.
What about Boris? Is Boris coming?
I don't know, maybe.
Oh, I am not ready to perform in front of him. He's such a legend. Is he not like younger than you?
He's my age.
Well, his writing is beautiful.
Well, I think his writing is okay. I write better stuff than he does.
Well, honey, I love you and I love your writing, but sometimes it needs like character development. You know what I mean? Like, no one feels alive.
What my play needs is you. So you go out there, put on a good show.
Yes. What I am trying to say, okay.
Good luck.
It sounds more like a poem
Good
than a
luck.
play. Don't say
Aye!
saying good luck is bad luck. What is wrong with you?
I know. I love you though.
I know.
Let's go. Sorry.
Oh, it's getting chilly. Go put on a jacket.
Fine, really. You put on a jacket.
You're so stubborn. You never take care of yourself. You just wouldn't worry me. You're a doctor, for God's sake.
Well, that's what young men do.
You're 55.
So what? I look great for my age. Young women still like me.
What are you getting at?
That's what I'm getting.
Honey, I think what he's trying to say is that there's beauty in old age.
And I am a gentleman. That's what women love about me.
Oh, my darling brother. Come on. Sit.
Here they come.
Play hasn't started yet.
When is this thing starting anyway?
Ladies and gentlemen, we're almost ready. Please give me one moment. Be patient.
Misfortune always comes to those who wait.
What's that from?
I read it somewhere.
You read.
You do?
It's a miracle you two are not a couple.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're ready. I'll get started. Pauline, that's not the song. Oh, ancient mist that drifts across this lake at night. I ask of you to give us clear voyage into the world of dreams and show us what will happen 10,000 years from now.
It's like Star Wars!
Ancient mist, I ask of you, reveal to us nothingness.
Yes, please, you're already asleep.
Men and women, eagles, spider, beasts, fishes that inhabit the sea, starfish in the water. In one word, life, 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 completing the round imposed upon it, has died at last. In 1,000 years, 1,000 years since the Mother Earth put a living creature on her breast, and the moon, the unhappy moon, light her lamp in vain.
What is she doing?
I am alone! My mouth is open after 100 years and my voice is echoing across the air, but nobody can hear me.
I get it now. It's one of those contemporary pieces.
And you, the lights of the marsh, cannot hear me.
I just wish you could do something normal.
Mother!
Oh, it's a parody!
This is a play, I think.
Can you hear me? Can you feel me right here, right now? Can you feel me? Ah! Ah!
What are you doing?
Sorry, I thought this was a good moment for a kiss.
I'll give you a good moment.
Hey, that's theater!
Oh, Connie! Stop! Cornet!
Enough! We're done here! It's over! Wait, cut the music! Hey, we're done, it's over!
Boy,
Cut the music now, please!
hey, that's no way to snap at your mother.
You!
What's wrong with him?
Shouldn't have been so hard with him, Rita. He's young.
What did I even say?
He was only trying to impress you.
He said it was all just for fun, so I treated it as a comedy.
Even so.
So what now? It turns out he has graced us with a masterpiece? It's just a spoiled, self-centered kid, Soren. Oh,
He just wanted to impress you.
impress me? Really? Then why didn't he choose a normal play for once? It's just another tantrum in disguise, I'm telling you.
Well, I think that everyone should write how they feel.
Okay, enough. I don't want to talk about it. Oh, it's such a beautiful night. Look. Let's enjoy it. Why did I hurt my boy, though? Constantine! Connie!
You want me to go look for him?
Yes, darling, please.
I can go too.
No, enough.
Fuck myself.
I am so sorry. I guess the plate's over, but thank you for coming.
Don't apologize! Bravo! Bravo!
Do you like it?
Yes! Yes, we loved it, my darling. It's, wow, with your looks, it's such a pity. You're doing amateur plays. Oh, you're so talented. You belong to the big screen.
That's my biggest dream. I promise you, I would love to be just as beautiful and talented you are.
Don't worry, darling. Well, dreams have funny ways of coming true, you know? Oh, Nina, let me introduce you. This is Boris.
Oh my god, I know who you are. I am a huge fan of you. I read all your books.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, I can tell.
So don't need to get excited, darling.
Yeah.
He might be famous, but he's just another down-to-earth guy. Look who's blushing.
That was an interesting play, wasn't it?
It was. Music was gentle, but Nina, most importantly, you were gorgeous.
I would love to stay, but I actually have to go right now.
Why? No, stay.
I'm waking up early in the morning. I have to rest. I'm sorry.
I think we have to let you go then. It's just a little hard to say goodbye.
If you only knew how much I would like to stay.
Please stay.
But I can't. I have a good night, everyone.
Good night.
Good night.
Oh, well, my legs are hurting. Let's go.
Yeah, you walk like your legs are made of stone, actually. Boris, thank you.
She loves me. She loves me not. She wants to marry me. She does not want to marry me. She needs to get pregnant and have my babies. She does not need to get pregnant and have my babies.
Nina! Nina!
Connie?
Where's Nina?
I don't know. Home?
No, I have to find her now.
Hey, I just wanted to say, nice play. It was pretty funny.
It wasn't meant to be funny.
Oh.
Hey! Where were you? Your mom's worried sick.
Fuck my mom. Fuck you too.
I was just sitting.
Leave me alone!
Oh, what a guy.
Here's to Connie.
No, stop. It's a nasty habit. You should stop. I should go.
No, wait. Can I talk to you?
What's wrong?
I feel like there's a connection,
Yeah?
and I really need your help
Yeah.
because I'm going crazy. And then I'm gonna do something that I'm not gonna be able to take back if you
Yeah.
don't help me.
Yeah, what's
Yeah?
wrong?
Can you please?
Yeah.
Please help me. I love Connie.
Fuck me! No, I'm sorry. There's so much love, so much emotion. So what do you want me to do?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I did everything you asked me to do. You hate me. Just look at your face. You hate me. What's that?
I shot it today. I thought it might be a good gift to give you.
What is wrong with you?
It's simple, man. I changed the moment I stopped recognizing you. You're distant. You don't want me around anymore.
That is not at all.
Just say it.
That is not at all. You're just acting weird lately. And I honestly don't understand you anymore.
You hate my work.
I didn't.
You hated my play. Every last fucking page of it. If you only know how fucking miserable I feel.
Well, talk to me, okay? Talk to me. Say, what is wrong?
I'm a nobody.
Don't say that.
I'm a nobody. You don't think I have anything to offer? I can see it in your eyes. You think I'm a nobody? A nobody next to Boris?
Hey Nina, it's me, Boris.
Connie.
You're happy again.
Hey Nina,
Connie.
it's me, Boris.
I won't ruin your night anymore.
Connie. Hi, Boris. What are you doing here?
Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
How are you?
Good. How can I help you?
I just came by to say that apparently we're leaving tomorrow morning. Some unexpected events, and you and I are likely to meet again.
Oh, I'm sorry
For what?
that you're leaving.
So am I.
I guess I'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Actually, you can stay longer. If you don't mind.
I don't mind. No, I don't mind staying. I don't mind talking to interesting and beautiful women. Like you.
Are you talking about me?
Yeah.
Ah.
You. It's okay. It's not that often that I'm amused by somebody, and I almost forgot what it feels like to be so inspired by some sort of art. And as a writer, I don't imagine very well, so I think that characters in my novels are generally not very well realized, and I think, knowing you might help me to see what you feel, what you think, what kind of person you are.
You don't quite get it, do you? How many people envy you?
Oh, I do, sometimes, but sometimes I think praise is just pity.
Pity.
Yeah.
You're being so spoiled.
Spoiled?
Spoiled.
I don't like my writing.
That's insane.
I know, I don't like my writing.
That's insane.
Insane.
How can you say that when you're writing it's beautiful?
Beautiful, it's wonderful, it's gorgeous.
Please.
I've heard it all before. Have you though?
Have I what?
Has anyone ever told you that you were capsule this time?
Excuse me.
It's getting late now.
Don't leave.
Okay. What's in the back?
Oh, that's a gift from Connie.
A gift?
Yes,
From Connie.
it's a bird. A dead bird.
What kind of bird?
I don't know.
Is it a seagull?
I don't know.
It's a seagull.
What are you writing?
Idea. A girl grows up free, happy like a seagull, Then a man comes along and destroys her life just because he can. I want to stay.
Yes!
But I have to leave now.
Yes. This is just like a dream.
Don't you know how much it costs
I don't know.
every time?
I don't want to hear it, Mom.
Oh, you're going to hear it. Next time you think about pulling a little stuff like that, remember, I'm not a band, Constantine. I'm an actress.
If you're an actress, you should start playing a good mother for once.
I've been playing one for the past 20 years. Sit down. Constantine, sit down. You'll be fine.
Oh, I'll be fine, wonderful, Mom.
You shouldn't. You should stop pulling those little stunts, these little silly tricks, okay? Enough of that.
Trying to kill myself isn't a silly trick, Mom.
You scared me. Look at me. You scared me.
Don't lie to me. You don't care about me. You care what other fucking people think of you.
I've taken care of you.
When it fucking suits you.
Don't get to say that to me.
Then when, Mom? I have nobody left. I need one.
Enough. You just love making me miserable.
You hate my work. Your own fucking son.
I didn't raise you to be this insecure.
You didn't fucking raise me at all. You go back to your shitty fucking sitcoms. For your shitty fucking audiences. For your shitty fucking TV shows.
You couldn't write a cheap comedy for a porno.
Bitch.
Lowlife.
Whore.
Man-child.
C-lister.
Parasite.
Nobody.
Failure. I'm sorry. Just don't cry, Connie. Please don't cry. Just gonna be okay.
Nina hates me, Mom. I have no one left. I have nobody.
You have me.
May I come in?
Nina.
Hi.
Hi, is everything okay?
Yeah, everything is fine. I just said you're leaving tomorrow, and I wanted to say goodbye, and I actually brought you something.
What did you bring me?
It's a necklace. It has the initials of my name on it, so you have something to remember me.
Oh, I'll always remember you, Nina.
Goodbye. Actually, I also wanted to say thank you. The other day you were talking to me, and I'm gonna be very honest. After the show, I really thought about quitting, but then you talked to me, and I feel like I wanna continue with my career. I wanna just go for my goals. You're such an inspiration for me. I just wanna be as famous and wonderful as you are.
I want you to be as famous and wonderful as I am.
Do you?
I do. I want to, that's exactly what I want. I want to see you on every big screen and every big stage and TV show. Nina, don't forget, TV is where you earn money. I want to see your eyes, your wonderful, beautiful eyes, your lovely face. Your tender and inexpressibly beautiful smiling, your pure, kind of angelic expression. Okay. Hey.
Hi.
How's Connie?
He'll be fine.
Yeah, and you?
I feel better.
Idea. I was thinking of an idea. How about, if you're okay with it, I think I want to stay here.
You want to stay?
Please.
I know why, but she doesn't love you. You're just drunk on her.
You're drunk on me. How about we both sober up? Be kind and generous and let me go.
Are you that obsessed with her?
Yes. Yes. I can't stop thinking about her. She's pulling me to places I've never been. Something just draws me in her. This might be the exact thing that I need right now.
Love of a naive little bitch? Is that what you think you need?
Love that is young, sweet, like poetry. Love that wafts into the world of
You
dreams.
don't get to say that. You're not going anywhere.
I've never felt love like that.
You all planned this today to torture me.
No.
You and Constantine.
No. You don't understand, okay? I think you refuse to understand. I think you're capable of this sacrifice. Set me free.
Am I too ugly? Am I too old? Is that what you think that you can talk to me about her?
No.
Boris, you're my last love. My last everything. My last chance. You're my pride. You're my joy. You're my light.
Well, I think your son could walk in right now.
Oh, let him. I'm not ashamed.
That's getting hot.
This face, this body, these hands, they belong to me. No one else. Your words, your mind, or your genius, you're mine. Not hers, not anyone's. Mine.
I don't have a free will of my own. Never had one. A weak, flabby, submissive, everything that women are supposed to hate.
Oh, you're brilliant. Brilliant in ways no one understands you. Look at me. Look at me, look into my eyes. No one else sees you. You belong to me. You're mine.
4 years.
Since Nina left.
Yes, since Nina left.
3 years.
Sure.
Why bring it up now?
Well, I miss her. She was nice.
I never really liked her.
Well, fuck her then.
Oh, I see. Now you're just going to agree with everything I said.
Sure thing.
You're an idiot.
I might be, but I'm your idiot now.
I wish I never married you.
Why did you marry me?
Because I was waiting for someone, but he wasn't waiting for me. This isn't love, it's something different. Do you want a drink?
Another one? That's 3 today.
And so what? Women drink these days. We just hide it. See, you're easier to talk now. You're not bright, but you love me. I
Thanks.
feel sorry for you.
Thanks. I love you too. Doctor, happy birthday! Thank you for inviting us.
Thank you both for coming. To think we're all gathered here not too long ago for Connie's play. Things do change, huh? Anyway, look at you guys together. Happy, married. Masha, I didn't know you were pregnant.
I'm not pregnant.
You can't fool me with that belly.
Where's Boris?
Back with Rita.
And Constantine?
Let's not talk about him. Today is going to be a great birthday for me. You know, when I was young, I had all these wonderful dreams. I wanted to be an author. Failed at that. I wanted to get married. That didn't happen. I wanted to live a great life. Now I'm spending my last days worried about Constantine.
Come on, you've had a great life. You've done wonderful things.
I want to live a little bit more.
Oh, it's pointless. Nature has already decided on what's next to you.
Masha!
I'm sorry. It must be the hormones from my pregnancy.
Ma, you know, she's always like this when we're alone together. Masha, don't be so hard on him. You know, he's old. He might die soon. Masha!
I said I'm sorry.
Well, at least you've spent 20 years as a doctor. You know, what an honor.
2 years.
What?
I've only been a doctor for 2 years. You're such an asshole.
Honey.
Karen, haven't seen.
Look at you, it's you. It's nice to see your face.
You don't know idea how much I've missed you.
You don't hate me?
You don't get it, do you?
Get what?
I love you. Now and forever. I love you now, and I always will. You are part of me. Structurally, I could never see you again. Ever. Ever, ever. I would still love you.
I left you. I ran away with your mother's lover. I ruined everything that was good.
You're human. You're a human being like the rest of us. You're fucked up, but that's okay.
Well, I don't think that I am that.
Oh, you are. You're a selfish, a flawed human being.
Of course I'm glad. I don't think that I am the other thing you said.
What did I say?
The other thing you said.
What? A human being?
Yes, I don't think that I am that.
What are you?
I think I'm kind of like a seagull. Don't you? I'm not an actress. I am not. I thought I was, but have you ever seen me? Have you ever seen something so awful in your
No.
entire life?
I thought you were wonderful.
Don't lie to me, Connie. Don't fucking lie to me. You saw me right there in the stage. And we know I am the worst actress ever. I don't know how to say the words. I don't know where to stand. I don't know where to put my hands. I don't mean anything. I cannot tell the truth for 1 second in the stage or in front of a camera. I can't act. Do you know when was the last time I was any good? In your play. Then I had integrity, I had enthusiasm, I was myself. Am I a seagull?
No.
Then why did you shoot that bird?
That
wasn't me?
No. No, I didn't. I didn't. No. No. I didn't shoot you. I didn't shoot you. It was
a what?
No! It was meant to be a metaphor. It was meant to be a symbol. I was trying to. I didn't shoot you. I didn't shoot. I was trying to show you how much you meant to me. How much I cared about you. How much I loved you.
Well, I'm gonna tell you something. You shouldn't shoot the things that you love. What about that? That should be unofficial. You shouldn't shoot the things that you love.
No. Nina, please, look at me, please.
I rather not.
Please. I can take care of you.
I can't.
I can be your house again.
I can't. I live in an hour. Maybe I'm gonna do a new play. Maybe this one I'm gonna be radiant, ideal. Most likely I'm gonna suck. I'm gonna be Gretchen, unwatchable. Do you know why?
Nina, let me say something.
Why?
Nina, please let me speak.
Do you know why?
Let me say something.
Do you know
I just
why?
want to tell you something.
Do you know why?
Why?
Because birds cannot act. Birds has no lips to kiss you. Birds have little tiny hearts that cannot hold all the love that you fucking deserve, Connie. Birds cannot act because they fly away from all the things that matter and that are important in this life. Seagulls fly away from all those who will love them and will take care of them. And they're selfish. They're selfish little birds. That's what you call me, right? Just a selfish bird. Selfish.
I don't know you. I don't know
who I'm speaking to.
You know what? Thank you for loving me. Thank you for shooting at me. You love me more and better than anyone has or ever will. And I don't understand you. And I never will. Well, thank you for everything.
Nina. Nina!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sorn. Happy birthday to you.
Well, blow out the candles 1 second.
Yeah, go on.
Give me a second.
Come on, blow them out.
There you go.
Finally.
You know, thank you all for coming. It really means a lot to me.
Yes, of course. Oh, Boris, did you manage to get hold of Konstantin?
Yeah. He seemed very undisposed.
Let's keep it that way.
Oh, what am I going to do with that boy?
You know what? We do nothing.
What do you mean?
You've done all you can as a mother.
You're right. I have.
Alright, who wants some cake?
What was that?
Maybe one of the Constantine's outbursts?
Oh, could someone go check on me for me, please?
Yeah, I can go.
This boy is gonna be the death of me.
I think you worry way too much.
I do. You know what? I'm just gonna enjoy my night. Let's cut the cake.
Everything's fine. I'm still on the wall.
Oh.
He's fine. Masha, can I talk to you for a second?
Okay, let's eat this cake. I'm hungry already. Come on.
What's wrong?
Get Rena out of here.
What?
Get Rena out of here. Konstantin shot himself. Thanks for coming.
Yeah, thank you for coming. Yes, thank you.
I don't know if you have more to say.
I do have something to say. Thank you everybody for coming. It really means a lot to us, like to the whole company, and especially like to Ricky and I, that we put like the thing together somehow. We are very happy for that. He's a writer. He adapted play, so leave it up for him. Thank you all again for coming. Thank you. Lia was directing also. She is the teacher that was helping us with all of this. Thank you, Lia. Thank you, Polly, for helping us with the technician stuff. thank you all the teachers that are here like with us and trying to make our life better and teaching us in this like fabulous space. My mom is here. She came all the way from Mexico. Give it up. All of us, since I feel like everybody like deserves an applause, so you can just say your names and good job for you.
Well,